Slide the backrest section out of the transport frame. Open the backrest to support the frame. Slide the leg section out of the transport frame. Slide the two halves together and tighten the hand screws. Make sure you close the bottom half of the platform together. Remove all the cables. Fit the power cable into the bracket on the head section. Pull the cable tight and then tighten the gland. Connect the leg actuator into the control box, so colour coded, blue to blue. Lay the platform down. Disconnect one of the lift systems from the transport frame. So the lift systems are both exactly the same, they can go at each end of the bed, and connect it to the platform section. Remove the transport brackets. And connect it to the platform. Make sure you re-lock the pull pins. At this point, recheck the hand screws. Make sure that they're all tight. Take the actuator cable from the foot end of the bed and plug into the control box. So again, colour coded, this is yellow into yellow. There's a cable support on the platform section to keep the cable supported. Take the head section actuator and wrap it twice around the power supply cable and plug into the control box. At this point, you need to install the cable cover on the control box. To make installing the side rails easier, you only need to do this for new rails. Get a screwdriver and put a slight lead on the top and bottom holes of all the side rails. Ensure you have end caps fitted. Raise the side rail fingers to the top. And then install the side rails onto the fingers at one end of the bed. Pop the corner off the bed. Take the top rail, give it a tap to compress the springs in the end caps, and install on the side rail fingers. Do the same with the bottom rail. And connect the platform back together, lock in the locking pin. To operate the side rails, gently lift, release the catch and lower down. To raise the side rails, bring them up until the catch engages. Check your side rails are secure, both rails, after installation and at regular intervals. So the functions on the handset are backrest up and backrest down, thigh rest up, thigh rest down, and then backrest and thigh rest together, and then bed raise, bed lower. To operate the mechanical foot section, you need to first raise the thigh rest up, lower it back down until you hear 3 clicks, then raise it back again and the mechanical section will operate. As soon as you lower the section down, the mechanical section will disengage. There's a lock on the back of the handset. Put the blue key in and basically that locks or unlocks the handset. If there's a problem with the bed, first thing to check is a green light on the power supply. If there is no green light, make sure the power supply is switched on at the wall and check the handset is in the unlock position. Because it can be difficult to identify beds when there's a person in the bed with bedding on, we have a lot of labels on the bed to help you out. So the lower bed on the lift system gives you the make, the model, the part code and the control system version type. There's a QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you to the website, and on the website you've got the IFUs, downloads, and links to YouTube videos. We have another label on the bed, and this gives you the basic troubleshooting, so that's about the key, the green light, and then we have a parts list. So the idea with the parts list is, if you need a part for this bed, if you take the code from the bed that's got the problem, you're guaranteed to get the correct part.